spelt and chickpea pancake. High protein and incredibly nutritious. Start your day off right with these. You know, spelt is an Asian grain. Along with chickpeas, its benefits are innumerable, from helping regulate metabolism to aiding in creation of hormones, circulation, building muscle, building and improving the immune system, and especially adding some hemp powder in there. The kick that this is really giving you is amazing. So guys, make sure you try this recipe out. Enjoy. Chickpea falafel. Tasty, crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. This is definitely worth a try. You know I'm all about using very similar ingredients but making the most simple, tasty and nutritiously balanced meals. This is another one. Definitely worth a try. You can have it as a main, have it as a side with some dip, some hummus. You know, the world is your oyster, guys. Try this one out and enjoy it. Ready in 15. Let's go.
It's AKMaro.